toothbrush, toothpaste with fluoride, brushing long enough, the correct brushing action, and brushing at least twice a day. You can use a manual or electric toothbrush. Just make sure it has soft bristles. Soft bristles are kinder to your teeth and gums, and they make it much easier to remove the plaque below the gum line where gum disease starts. Use a pea-sized amount of toothpaste that contains fluoride. Fluoride strengthens the outer enamel layer of the teeth. It can stop a cavity in its tracks and give you more resistance to future cavities. Make sure your brushing routine lasts long enough to thoroughly remove plaque. We recommend that you brush for at least 2 minutes. To start, center your brush on the gum line and angle the bristles at a 45-degree angle. Apply gentle pressure so the bristles slide under the gum line. Gently vibrate the brush while you move it in short, circular, wiggling motions. Brush 1 or 2 teeth at a time, then move to the neighboring teeth, allowing some overlap. Use this method to brush the insides and outsides of all the teeth. To brush the backs of the front teeth, tilt the brush and make several up and down strokes. Then brush the chewing surfaces of the teeth with a gentle back and forth scrubbing motion. End by brushing your tongue and the roof of your mouth. This removes germs and keeps your breath fresh. You can use a tongue brush with a special head to do the job, or a tongue scraper to remove the odor-causing bacteria. When you brush is important too. Brushing after breakfast cleans away the morning's food debris, and brushing your teeth before bedtime protects your teeth all night. Follow our advice for better brushing, and you'll enjoy a cleaner, fresher, healthier mouth.
அந்த பொண்ணை பத்தி உனக்கு தோணுனப்பவே சொல்லியிருந்தா அவளை காப்பாத்தி இருக்கலாம்ல.
எனக்கு தோன்றதெல்லாம் ஊர்க்காரங்க கிட்ட சொல்லிட்டு இருக்க முடியுமா?
ஆனா இப்போ